What is up? This is Open Book. Guys, I'm here at the Sprint event in Nashville. Powerful conference with some of the top real estate agents in the nation. I'm here with none other than Coach Michael Burt, and he's gonna share some powerful strategies for you guys to keep growing your business. But before we get there, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe, and make sure you follow us because we bring you massive content every single week. So Coach, what has led you to this massive success? And you've helped so many agents and so many amazing people. You work with, elite players. What is that principle that you feel you can share that can unlock their full potential?
Well, it took me probably 43 years to really figure out what to call it. But what I now call is how to activate the prey drive in a person.
Ooh.
And that is an instinct to see something and pursue it with a persistence and intensity.
Okay.
And I have become a specialist at activating that in people of all walks of life through 5 activators that I've cultivated, and that's a book that I'm writing right now. It's my 17th book.
Amazing, the prey drive.
Prey drive.
That's like going out hunting, that's amazing. It's interesting because like for my team, I created a formula called the drive score. Because we all know we need drive, right? And it's something that tracks their daily activities and tells me if they're driven or not. Because driven individuals ultimately lead to bigger results. But I love the way you frame it because it gives so much clarity. It's like, do you have that intensity as a animal that needs to be out there praying for food to bring to their family? That's what we do every day.
Well, I think the way I frame it is I studied the top 20 motivational theories. I deconstructed those theories, and then I packaged it up in a way that people can identify their prey drive activator, and they can see where they struggle. Is it activation? Is it persistence? Is it intensity? That's really the way I package it up.
Excellent, excellent. So usually when somebody's not moving as fast as they need to move or achieving what they need to accomplish, it's because it's missing one of those pieces. Okay, what are some ways that they can reflect and find that, do you have a quick tip that you can give them?
I think the number one activator, in my opinion, of prey drive is exposure. That's why you're here in Nashville. Get around bigger players. Be exposed to new ideas. Exposure activates the imagination to see something bigger. Get around big time agents. Get around big time coaches. Get around people that are doing things much bigger than you. Exposure is an activator of prey drive.
Amazing. Listen guys, you need to activate your prey drive. That's something that is gonna take you to the next level. You cannot reach your goals and your ultimate desire if you don't have that intensity. And he, listen, I could have given him some money to say that because here in this video, I'm telling you, we're giving you exposure, but also I'm hanging out at these amazing events all the time and I have exclusive invitations for you. So, I get agents that message me all the time. Hey, Carlos, when is the next event? When are you gonna have another amazing speaker like Michael? When can I come hang out? Just message me. People message me all the time and we get exclusive invites to these awesome events. So go out, get exposure, make sure you're waking up hungry and determined every single day. And as I always say, let's crush it. Coach, thank you so much. Appreciate it.
Thank you.